Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from New Tech, and making intro. After hearing this word, your mind gonna be blow, and like you probably have thinking that you have to use critical software like Adobe After Effects and something like that, but not always, because you can make it without any application on your computer. It's little bit hard, but it's really easy if you know computer. So some genius has already guessed that what I'm going to use. It's a website and I'm gonna make it through web browser. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get all the future notification of our channel. And we have updated something in our camera. If you like that, please give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So for the making the intro, we have to open our web browser at first and go to Google and search for panzoid. Yeah, as you can see the first link, panzoid. Click over here and choose anyone you like and select that. Okay, just which one? It's looking right. So click on the open clipboard. Click over here. Alright, and yeah, as you can see, you can have a 3D model. Over here it's a 3D thing, and you have to click over here in order to watch the intro. Now it's showing the name, but you have to select the name, which one you want. Yeah, its style is good, so you have to pause and click over here. Yeah, over here and object. Yeah, scroll down until you find the text. Over text, delete this and click the text that you want to enter. I'm going to enter the new text. That's my channel name. Over here and here. If there is 3 text, you have to enter the same thing again and again. I have 2 type, and as you can see, it's new text now. So your intro is ready. Now you have to download it. It's keeping the balance. Okay, it's depend on your computer speed and computer processor graphics. If that's strong, it will be take short time, so we have to wait until it's finished. Alright, yeah, it's finished. Click the download and select the file where you want to keep the video, that's intro, and you can rename it over here. And alright, I'm rename it. Okay, and click to save. That's all. So you have seen how you can make intro without any application on your computer. So if you like this video, give this video
and like our video and subscribe our challenge.
Exactly. So subscribe to our channel for give us information for our next another video, and
we're gonna bye.